අපි ජාතික තරුණ සේවා සභාව විදියට මම දැන් මම මෙතන කතා කරන්නේ අපේ ගරු සභාපතිතුමා දමිත වික්‍රමසිංහ මහත්මයාව නියෝජනය කරමින්. ඉතින් ජාතික තරුණ සේවා සභාව විදියට අපි උත්සාහ කරන හැමතිස්සෙම ලංකාවේ තාරුණ්‍යයට හැකියතාක් අවස්ථා උදා කරලා දෙන්න. එතකොට අපි මුලින්ම නිව් ජෙනරේෂන් අවෝඩ්ස් සමග එකතු වුණේ පහුගිය අවුරුද්දේ දෙසැම්බර් මාසයේ පැවැත්වුණු නිව් ජෙනරේෂන් අවෝඩ්ස් කියන උත්සවයට තමයි අපි මුලින්ම එකතු වුණේ තරුණ සේවා සභාව. එතකොට අපි උත්සාහ කරන්නේ හැමතිස්සෙම පෞද්ගලිකාංශයේ ආචාර්ය සුලෝචනා සිගේරා මහත්මිය වගේ පුද්ගලයන් සමග එකතු වෙලා ඔවුන්ගේ ආයතන සමග එකතු වෙලා ඔවුන් තාරුණ්‍ය වෙනුවෙන් යම්කිසි ව්‍යාපෘතියක් කරනවා නම් තාරුණ්‍ය සවිබල ගැන්වීමේ යම්කිසි අරමුණකින් හොඳ අරමුණකින් කරන ඕනෑම කර්තව්‍යයකට අපි රාජ්‍ය අංශය විදිහට අපි හැමතිස්සෙම අනිවාර්යෙන් උත්සාහ කරනවා අපේ හැකියතාක් අපේ ඉහළම දායකත්වය ලබා දෙන්න. එතකොට ඒ නිසා තමයි අපි අද මේ ජාතික තරුණ සේවා සභාව විදියට මෙන්න මේ කර්තව්‍යයටත් සම්බන්ධ වෙලා ඉන්නේ. ඒ වගේම මම කියන්න කැමතියි මෙතන වැදගත්ම දේ තමයි අපි මේ රාජ්‍ය අංශය හා පෞද්ගලික අංශය අතර පවත්වන සම්බන්ධතාවය. එතකොට අපි මේ තාක් බොහෝ වෙලාවට අපි හිතන්නේ රාජ්‍ය අංශය වෙනම වැඩ කරන්න ඕනේ පෞද්ගලික අංශය වෙනම වැඩ කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා. නමුත් අපි මේ නිව් ජෙනරේෂන් අවෝඩ්ස් කියන ව්‍යාපෘතිය හරහා අපි පෙන්නලා තියෙනවා අපිට හොඳ අරමුණකට රාජ්‍ය අංශයත් පෞද්ගලික අංශයත් එකසේ සම්බන්ධ කරගත හැකියි කියලා. ඉතින් අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ මේ කාර්යය තුළින් අපිට පුළුවන් වෙයි කියලා ලංකාවේ නොයෙක් දිග විසිරලා ඉන්න දක්ෂතාවීන් පිරිපුන් හැකියාවන්ගෙන් පිරිපුන් විවිධ කැටගරීස් යටතේ විවිධ අංශ යටතේ දක්ෂතා දක්වන පුද්ගලයන් තරුණ තරුණියන් අඳුරගෙන ඔවුන්ගේ ඉදිරි ගමනට රුකුලක් වෙන්න වගේම ආචාර්ය සුලෝචනා මහත්මිය කිව්වා වගේ බොහොම හරියට කිව්වා වගේ මේ අවෝඩ් එක මේ සම්මානය මේ තිලිනය ගෙදර ගිහිල්ලා තියාගන්න ඕනේ තිලිනයක් නෙමෙයි. හැබැයි ඒක ඔබට ලැබෙන වගකීමක්. ඔබ වගේම තවත් දක්ෂතාවලින් පිරිපුන් තරුණ තරුණියන් ලංකාව පුරා විසිරලා ඇති. අපි උත්සාහ කරනවා අපි විශ්වාස කරනවා ඔබට ලැබෙන රෙකග්නිෂන් එක ඔබට ලැබෙන තිලිනය ඔබ උත්සාහ කරයි කියලා යම් විදියකින් තව කෙනෙක්ට හොඳක් වෙන විදියට කියන අපේ රටට හොඳක් වෙන විදියට භාවිතා කරන්න. Should I say that in English as well, Dr. Sulochana?
No, I don't think, because I think when the judges are speaking, they can mention all that.
Nice.
Thank you
very much, Dr. Sulochana. Okay.
Varuni Amnugama will be speaking now. Varuni, you're in.
Yes, hi. Okay.
Now, self-introduction and do a say.
Yeah. Okay, good morning. සුබ උදෑසනක් හැමෝටම. මේ මගේ නම වරුණි අමුණුගම ෆර්නෑන්ඩෝ. මම රෙප්‍රසෙන්ට් කරන්නේ මීඩියා ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එක. ඇත්තටම ට්‍රයඩ් කියන ඇඩ්වර්ටයිසිං ආයතනයයි දෙරණ මාධ්‍ය ජාලයයි. මේ ඔක්කොටම ඉස්සෙල්ලා මම කියන්න කැමති ඇත්තටම මගේ තීරණේ. Why did I want to support New Generation Awards and also especially Dr. Sulochana's initiative? ලංකාවේ වෙනත් රටවල් වල වගේ හුඟක් award schemes තියෙනවා. හැබැයි සුලෝ කරන මේ award scheme එක මං හිතන්නේ හරිම වැදගත්. මොකද මේ කාලේ අපේ රටේ මේ new generation එක ඇත්තටම ගත්තොත් ඕගොල්ලෝ සියලු දෙනා ගත්තොත් අපි වැඩි හිටියෝ නේද සුලෝ? අපි නෙමෙයි ඕගොල්ලෝ. අපේ මේ social media එක හින්දා පොඩි negative mindset එකක් ඇති වෙලා තියෙනවා වැඩිපුරම අපේ රට ගැන. එතකොට මේ awards scheme එකෙන් ඇත්තටම කරන ලොකුම කාර්යය තමයි අපේ රට ගැන සුබවාදීව for us to create a new generation which thinks positively about our country, because we have got so much from this country. We have to give something back. It is only us meaning මේ තරුණ අපේ කණ්ඩායම ඕගොල්ලන්ට තමයි අපේ රට බාර දෙන්න තියෙන්නේ ඊළඟට අපේ රට ලෝකයට ගෙනහිල්ලා to make our country a pride, one of the best countries that we can be in the world, where the world recognizes us for our positivity and all that we have to offer. So ඕගොල්ලෝ තරුණ කණ්ඩායමක් හැටියට ඕගොල්ලන්ට තියෙනවා ලොකු කාර්යභාරයක් responsibility එකක්. ඉතින් ඒ background එකේ මේ වගේ awards වලට apply කරනවා කියන්නේත් මං හිතන්නේ ලොකු step එකක්. Because you have taken this step knowing that you have the capability, you are a cut above the rest, and also you have the ability to transform this country. ඉතින් ඔය සිය දෙනා ඇත්තටම අද මෙහි log වෙලා ඉන්න මේ ඔක්කොම දෙනා ඔක්කොම කට්ටිය මේ ස්ටෙප් එක දැනටමත් අරන් තියෙන්නේ, and it is a wonderful thing. ඒ කියන්නේ ඕගොල්ලෝ තම තමන්ගේ there is a self belief that you can do it. So that is number one. දෙවැනි එක තමයි අපි ජජ් කරනකොට දැන් ගිය පාර මේ දෙවැනි පාර අපි කරන්නේ හැමෝටම කතාවක් තියෙනවනේ තමන්ගේ ජීවිතේ කියන්න. ඒ කතාව කොච්චර ඉෆෙක්ටිව් විදිහට කියලා තියනවද කියලා මේ ඇප්ලිකේෂන් එකේ. ඒ කතාවෙන් තමයි අපි ජජස් හැටියට තෝරගන්නේ හැමෝගෙම වැඩියම ඉස්සරහින් ඉන්න මේ පුද්ගලයා කියලා. You are the best of the best. ඉතින් ඒ කතාව හොඳ විදිහට වෙනස් විදිහට outstanding විදිහට කියන පුද්ගලයා තමයි ඇත්තට මේ කැටගරි එකේ තේරෙන්නේ. සාමාන්‍ය නිකන් ඇප්ලිකේෂන් එක නිකන් අර ID එකක් apply කරන්නම හරි ඒ වගේ passport එකට apply කරලා තියෙනවා නම් ඇත්තටම කොච්චර achiever කෙනෙක් වුණත් you don't unfortunately stand out. So telling your story, I think you can use an example of a person like Asha DeVos, who's a very proud Sri Lankan young personality. There, she self-brands. She brands herself, what she does, her cause, and also she promotes the country. මං ඒ පුද්ගලයාව මේ වෙලාව ගේන image එකක් හැටියට මොකද මේ award එක දිනන කට්ටිය ඊට පස්සේ කරන step එක ගැන පොඩ්ඩක් හිතන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට ඒ image එක කොයි වගේ පුද්ගලයෙක්ද මොන වගේ කාර්යයක්ද මම කරන්නේ කියලා දැන් ඉඳන් ඒක ගැන හිතන එක ඉතාම වැදගත්. මොකද සුලෝ කිව්වා වගේ මේ award එක නිකම්ම කබඩ් එකේ දාලා මකුළු දැල් වැදෙනකන් ඉන්න එක නෙමෙයි අපේ පරමාර්ථය. ඇත්තටම යම් කිසි වෙනසක් අපේ රට වෙනුවෙන් කරන එක තමයි ඔබේ යුතුයකම. අනිත් එක තමයි අන්තිමට මම කියන්න ඕනේ මේ අපි කරන හැම දෙයක්ම ඒකට හේතුවක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. You have to have a purpose beyond profit. ඕගොල්ලෝ දැනටමත් දැකලා ඇති මං හිතන්නේ ඩොක්ටර් සුලෝචනාගේ women in management කියන ආයතනය මේ කොවිඩ් වෙලාවේ මිනිස්සු අතරට ගිහිල්ලා කෑම බෙදා දෙන හැටි ඒව ඔක්කොම purpose එකක්. profit එකකට අමතරව purpose එකක් ඕනේ entrepreneur කෙනෙක්. තමන් සල්ලි හම්බ කරන්න ඕනේ තමන් කරන මේ ව්‍යාපාරයෙන් ඒක තමයි මූලික පරමාර්ථය කියලා අපි හිතනවා. හැබැයි new generation එක හැටියට මං හිතන්නේ ඕගොල්ලෝ හුඟක් sensitive මේ අපි කොහොමද අනිත් කට්ටියට අසාමාන්‍ය මිනිසුන්ට දුප්පත් ජනතාවට අපි වගේම ඉන්න තරුණ ළමයින්ට ඒගොල්ලන්ටත් ඉදිරියට එන්න කොහොමද අපි උදව් කරන්න කියලා. ඉතින් it is important at this point in time because all of you are winners as it is, but even the best of the best who win the award, please keep in mind, you have to always have a purpose beyond your profit. So good luck and all the best. And we look forward to judging your applications. Thank you.
Aruni. And now, Dr. Ravi, are you in?
Yeah, Sulochana, just in.
Do the self-introduction and thank you.
Hope you can hear me, right? Am I audible?
Yes, Dr. Ravi, you're audible.
Yeah, sure.
Dr. Ravi? Dr. Ravi. You first start, right?
Doctor, we cannot hear you, doctor.
Okay. Let him come. Kasturi, can I ask you? Can I ask you to starting.
Hi, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, I do, Kasturi.
Now you can start, Kasturi. Let Dr.
Okay, is Dr. Ravi speaking or?
No, this is ladies one, ladies first. Go ahead.
You go, Kasturi. After that, I'll ask.
Okay, okay. I'll do after your speech.
So good morning, and I think I'll add on to what Varuni said, and I was listening to that. So why I'm glad that there is a New Gen Awards. Firstly, let me introduce myself. I'm Kasturi Chelaraja Wilson. So I'm from the corporate sector. And I'm a Sri Lankan who believes that Sri Lanka can do better. And we should showcase, like Varuni said, we should showcase ourselves in branding. But another aspect, I think we need to build our economy. And the future of Sri Lanka is you. So why is it important that you guys get recognized? Is because we need to encourage you all, whoever who has been doing the right things and winning in your own spaces or making an impact in your own spaces. We should encourage you and showcase you all, so that actually people you can influence a change, you can influence people to think better. We will be creating better products and services. Like Varuni said, today is a day organizations, products, services have to have a purpose, and the purpose is beyond the economic impact. And that I see as a unique difference in the younger generation. Y'all are so passionate about the country, you're passionate about the planet, you're passionate about people. And these three elements have to be corrected or made stronger for Sri Lanka to come out and to be the best country to live in. In your CVs, yes, you all have accomplished, but there are things where people have had challenges and not have had difficult times as well. So the ones who have, and when you have impacted and won something or accomplished something, you all have an obligation. You all have an obligation of taking other people along with you on that journey. In the process, if you have had challenges, you all have an advantage. The advantage is only in challenges and mistakes do you learn lessons. So I'll encourage you young kids, even if you win, the ones who won, remember you all have to go out and try new stuff, more new stuff, learn lessons to become really great. The ones who didn't win, learn from it, because the best lessons are learned in that. So I'll encourage all of you all, please embrace whatever the outcome it is. Love your country so much that you all want better for yourself, you're better for the people and better for the country. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Kasturi. Dr. Ravi, now you can proceed. Dr. Ravi?
Yeah. Okay. Good morning, everyone. I born again. So glad to talk to the Sri Lankan youth and the Sri Lankan future for sure. I'm Ravi Disanayaka, working as a senior faculty member and the department head, Department of Marketing Management, University of California. I do represent academic sector or rather university sector as well. And first, let me give my the warm regards to all the organizing team who really came up with this needy requirement for the youth of Sri Lanka. And I was lucky enough to listen to Ms. Kasturi's one and just a part of the speech done by previous presentation as well. What the youth need, because I do normally associate youth in university system, just like 20 to 24 years old gap. I mean that 4 years. I do normally talk to the youth of Sri Lanka. But I always believe, and what my main message to the youth of Sri Lanka is, take every second as an investment for the life. And we have seen there are people who normally love to follow others, and then you want to be someone else rather what you are deserved to be. So I do once again emphasize this fact: everyone has a great leader in you. Everyone has a great personality. Remember, if you compare your objectives, your future goals with others, you ever slave of others' goal. Always believe to compare yourself with your own set goals. So then you are a hero always. You are an achiever always. Take example of your class. Only one can be the first in the classroom. First place, only one. Imagine you have 25 students in your class, but all 25 can be differently able, differently achieved people in this country. So always think about your own goal and don't compare yourself with anyone else in this world. I have heard about when I asked, even yesterday or maybe before yesterday, I was sent to the youth of some other university. When I asked about, tell me the role model, they even talked about all religious leaders and these so-called huge corporate leaders in the world. I wonder why they do not take their father as the hero model first. This is what we need to understand in life. So youth, I am so happy to address you because I believe applying to this one itself says you have the potential of your personality in future. This country needs not people, this country needs characters. So I can see today around 100 characters to our country, and you are going to be the change makers. Rather, you are waiting till others to change yourself. Be the change, but make the change in you first. No matter whether you win or not, applying to this, getting the exposure with these wonderful people itself another achievement in your life. This is not just a lousy or lavish word, I would say. And please take a home some lesson out of this. Everyone will talk today, and the fewer people talk today. Everyone be good listeners and take at least one message to your life. That is, every second what you know gets outdated. Right? What I believe yesterday, maybe what I thought yesterday would not be valid for today's world. So that is knowledge. But however, we all earnestly request people like you, please be enough, be good enough, be brave enough, you to find yourself to find solutions for the country's problems. We have enough people to answer for questions, but we have very less amount of people to provide solutions for problems. I don't say this country is full of problems. This country is full of opportunities. So only the matter is the way we look at it, right? Love yourself first, and then love your goal second, and this love the others. Without people, no impact. And finally, always love this beautiful land. So we have experience of being in other countries. This is like the God gifted one, right? So let us to enjoy the future leadership with you all people, and then we also believe our life will be much better if we can enjoy our life ahead with your leadership for sure. Be the impact of the youth leadership. Thank you very much.
We appreciate it. Sarah, you're online, right? You're in, right, Sarah?
Yes, Dr. Sundar.
All right. Sarah, you can do the self-introduction. I would appreciate if you can summarize bit in Tamil, if you do not mind.
Okay, I'm not so great in Tamil, but let me try.
Okay,
so, good morning, everyone. Ayubovan, Assalamu alaikum. I am part of SEMA. I'm the country head of SEMA, and I work a lot with the youth, the school students, the university students, as well as our young professionals. So, welcome to this event. I am delighted to be a part of the panel of judges as well this time around. In terms of what I say today was, y'all are the future, just like Kasturi said, y'all are the future, y'all are our future, and only y'all can make things happen in this country. And like Varuni said, spot on, we have to look at things positively. Then we can make good things happen for this country. The fact that y'all took the time and y'all applied for this means a lot, because you believed in yourself, you believe you made a change, and you can go on to make changes as well to your communities, to your country. රටේ මොන පළාතක හිටියත්, ඔගොල්ලෝ මොනම ජාතියක වුණත්, ඔගොල්ලෝ කුමන තරාතිරමක පවුලක වුණත්, ඔයාලට පුළුවන් වෙනසක් කරන්න. සුබවාදී වෙනසක් කරන්න. ඒකේ පළවෙනි අදියර ඔයගොල්ලෝ අරන් තියෙන්නේ. කියන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ මොනවා හරි කරපු හන්ද ඔයගොල්ලෝ තමන් ගැන විශ්වාසය තියෙන හන්ද තමයි මේ තරඟට ඉදිරිපත් වුනේ. මෙතනින් එහාට දින්නත් පෙරදුනත් රෙකග්නිෂන් එක හම්බුනත් නැතත් කරනේ හොඳ දේ දිගටම කරගෙන යන්න. මොකද ඔයාලා දිහා බලලා අපේ තරුණ ළමයි ඉන්ස්පිරේෂන් එකක් ගන්නවා. එයාලා ඔයාලව ආදර්ශයට ගන්න. එතකොට ඔයාලා ඒ කරන හරි දේ එතිකලි හරියටම කරනවා නම් ඔයාලත් අනිත් අයට තන දෙනවා ඉදිරියටම යන්න. හරි මාර්ගෙන් හරි දේ කරලා පොසිටිව් විදියකට. ડોક્ટર සුලෝචනාගේ එක්සැම්පල් එක ගන්න ගොඩක් දුර යන්න ඕනේ අපි. ડોક્ટર සුලෝචනාගේ එක්සැම්පල් එක ගන්න. එතුමිය කොහොමද මේ WIM කියන එක පටන් ගත්තේ? කිසිම උදව්වක් නැතුව කාගේවත් උදව්වක් නැතුව එතුමිය තනියම පටන් ගත්තේ. මත්තේ පටන් ගත්තේ. අද බලන්න එතුමිය ලේඩීස්ලා හෙල්ප් කරන අතරතුර තව කොච්චර දේවල් කරනවද කියලා. මිස් වර්ණි කතා කරා වගේ අද actually pandemic එකකින් impact වෙලා ඉන්න හැමෝටම කැම දෙන තත්වයට පවා initiatives ගෙනල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. මීට කලින් ඒ වගේ දේවල් ලංකාවේ වෙලා නැහැ. ඒ වගේ initiatives. So ඔයාලට පුළුවන් ඔයාලා දැන් කරගෙන යන දේ තවත් improve කරන්න ඉදිරියට. Use social media wisely. It's not a tool to go around, shooting everyone. Rather, use it in a positive way to bring change to this country. My next point was all of us have had tough lives, right? All of us have various challenges in our lives. But what matters is how we grow out of it, how we come out of it, how we tackle those challenges. So yes, like we said, like all my fellow judges were saying, we're going to look at your story on your application. But remember, this journey doesn't end here. So if I am to add something in Tamil, இப்ப செஞ்சுக்கொண்டு இருக்கீங்க என்ன நல்ல வேலை அது கண்டினியூஸ்லி அதே செஞ்சுக்கொண்டு போங்க. தாரம் என்ன சென்னாலும் உடவானம். லேசி இல்ல லைஃப் என்றா லேசி இல்ல. லைஃப்ல சேலஞ்சஸ் வருமே தான். பட் நீங்க என்ன நல்லம் செய்தீங்க அது கண்டினியூஸ்லியே செய்யுங்க. ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வரும். இந்த காம்படிஷன்ல உங்களுக்கு ரெகக்னிஷன் வரலன்னு டிமோட்டிவேட் ஆவானம். செய்த சரி வேலைய கண்டினியூஸ்லியே செஞ்சுக்கொண்டு போங்க. எனக்கு தெரியா கஸ்தூரிக்கு எனக்கு மிச்சம் தமிழ் தெரியுமா என்று அப்படின்னு கஸ்தூரிக்கு ஆட் பண்ணேலும் பிகாஸ் என்ன தமிழ் கதம்பு தமிழ். பட் end of the day உங்களே பத்தி அந்த நம்பிக்கை வச்சுக்கொள்ளுங்க. உங்களுக்கு நல்லம் ஒன்று செய்யலும். இந்த நாட்டுக்கு இந்த எங்கட எல்லா நாங்க என்ன ரிலிஜனாலும் நாங்க என்ன ஜாத்தியாவினாலும் எங்களுக்கு செய்யலுமான சில சாமனம் இருக்கி நாங்க அதை சரியா செஞ்சு கொண்டு போவோம். எத்திக்கலி கரெக்டா செஞ்சு கொண்டு போகணும். அதுதான் மற்றோம். எண்ட் ஆஃப் டே நாங்க இறந்து போற வரைக்கும் அதுதான் எங்க பேருக்கு பின்னுக்கிறேன். வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை. So all the best everyone. Thank you.
Kasturi, you want to say something, Tamil?
Zara has done a very good job. ஆனா எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம். நானும் கொஞ்சம் வார்த்தைகள் சொல்றேன். எங்கட நாட்டுல நாடு முன்னேறா நீங்கள் தான் எங்கட நாட்டை முன்னுக்கு கொண்டு போகலாம். அது நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட்லி அது செய்யறது எங்கட எக்கனாமிக்கை இம்பேக்ட் பண்றது நீங்க தான். உங்களோட வாழ்வைக்கும் கொஞ்சம் கூட விரும்ப வேணும். யூ ஆல்மோஸ்ட் வாண்ட் மோர். நீங்கள் என்ன செய்யறா முன்னுக்கு எங்கட ஜாதி வேத பார்க்காம நீங்கள் எல்லோரும் ஒற்றுமையாக ஸ்ரீலங்கிய பிள்ளைகளாக ஆக்களாக ஒற்றுமையாக ஒன்றா சேர்ந்து எக்கனாமிக்கு பாருங்க. எங்கட நாட்டை வெளியால வடிவா பிராண்ட் பண்ணி நாங்க ப்ரௌடா இருக்க வேணும், ஆடம்பர இருக்க வேணும். எங்களுக்கு லங்காவ சிட்டிசனாக இருக்க. அதனால உங்களோட கையில தான் எங்கட நாடு முன்னேறதா இல்லையான்னு இருக்கிறது உங்களோட கையில. அது பெரிய வார்த்தைகள், ஆனா அது உங்களோட கையில தான் இருக்கிறது. அதனால விஷிங் யூ ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். எல்லாரும் இங்க அப்ளை பண்ணினதே பெரிய வேலை, பெரிய விக்டரி ஒன்று. என்னன்னா நீங்க எல்லாரும் உங்களோட சின்ன விதியா முறையிலாவது என்னன்னாலும் செய்து அங்க ஒரு இம்பாக்ட் ஒன்று இருக்கு. அதனால தான் நீங்க அப்ளை பண்ணுவீங்க. அதனால கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க. இது சில ஆட்கள் தான் வெல்லுவாங்க, சில ஆட்களுக்கு they won't win. ஆனா don't give up, continue and எல்லாருக்கும் I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Kasturi. Yasas, are you there? Hold on, please, everyone. Yasas, you are not on the line for your judges. Wait, I'll just accept it. Malinda, log out. Hello. Y'all can hear me, right? Okay. So Yasas is finding hard to come in, but we will accept him this thing. Anyone has questions, can you please type on the chat box, and if you type in English or Sinhalese, we can understand, but even if you type in Tamil, I think Senab is online. Senab can read Tamil, so if you are unable to type in English, you can put it in Tamil so that Senab will be able to translate it and give it to us. I think Yasas, you just logged in, right? Yasas?
I'm good now, Sulochana. Sorry, I had some issues online.
No. Yasas, you can start. You can speak in English and Tamil, Sinhalese both, if you mind.
How much have I missed so far?
You have missed everyone's speeches. You're the last speaker.
But the thing is, we don't miss you. So it's okay.
That's always happy to hear. Thank you, Kasturi. So we've got all the participants here, right? The finalists?
Yes. We have all the shortlisted ones. So you can start with a self-introduction or how you feel like the judging which should go and the youth future in Sri Lanka. You can mix Sinhalese and English, or you can go straight from English or straight from Sinhalese. Won't be an issue.
Okay, cool. So good morning, everyone. Nice to be here with you. Sorry, I'm late, first of all. I got a bit of mixed up with my data. My kids are watching too many movies. I don't know what's been spoken, so I might repeat. First of all, I'm very happy to be part of a fantastic initiative. When everywhere you hear is confusion, uncertainty, අවිනිශ්චිතභාවය කියලා හැමෝම මේ පොඩක් බයෙන් ඉන්න වෙලාවක් front foot එක ඉස්සරහට තියන්න. And a lot of negativity, especially if you want to get confused, you can watch news. I think in a time like that, when Wim came forward, and which means the ladies, I always take it seriously because you have to take the ladies seriously. Not that I don't take men seriously, but they fall asleep and they drink and a lot of issues with men. So first of all, the fact that this is happening today is because I think the ladies are giving the leadership, which is what the country needs. And as men, we should now walk along with them. And if you're talking about new generation, I don't think there's anybody else who can give leadership right now in these difficult times, because uncertainty කියන එක in strategy ඔය අපි කියන ක්‍රම උපායවලදී අපි නිතරම කතා කරන දෙයක්. හැබැයි අපිට කවදාවත් uncertainty එක මේ වගේ opportunity එකක් uncertainty realize කරගන්න හම්බෙලා නැහැ කවදාවත්. So in business strategy, we have this fancy word called VUCA. I don't know whether you've heard of it. VUCA. Volatile, V, uncertain, U, C, complex, A for ambiguous. If you're not familiar with some of these fancy English words, එක පොඩක් Google කරලා බලන්න. So සමහර වෙලාවට uncertainty තියෙනවා. සමහර වෙලාවට complex. සමහර වෙලාවට volatile. හැබැයි මේ ඔක්කොම එක්කව වෙලා හැමදාම දකින situation එකක් මම හිතන අපේ generation එකට තමයි මේ ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. So especially the younger ones who are facing this, I think you all have been trained to become a very different, which means we have heard like World War II, ඊට පස්සේ තිබ්බ 77, 71 Carol, I don't know whether you heard. I was born in 77 ඉඳන් අවුරුදු 30ක්. I've seen war, bombs going in front of us, behind us. But I think this This is so powerful. Most of us, I think, will survive, and you'll come out as very different generation. And I think very clearly, the world is asking change everywhere, everywhere. World is telling for the old, you all have done enough to mess things up. And you, most of the old, including us, don't seem to know the answers. We are the generation who are driving, killing people. You will be, no doubt, මිනිස්සු අපිට ඇවිල්ලා හයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ අපේ grandchildren ඕගොල්ලෝ පාරේ ළමයි අස්සන්න උදේ යද්දි ළමයිව හැප්පුවද කාර්වල කියලා. I mean, they'll be so surprised. මේ කාර්වල උදේ ඉස්කෝලේ යනකොට මේ ළමයින්ව yellow crossing වල හැප්පිලා දවසට 7 දෙනෙක් ඒ කාලේ මැරලා තියෙනවා නේද? They'll be so surprised because I don't think cars will kill people just to go from point A to point B, right? So things like will be changing so much. And eternally, the opportunities have to come from totally outside the box. අපේ adults ලා බලන තැන ඔක්කොම top corporates all are dinosaur world එකේ ඉන්නේ. So you have to think totally out. You have to think like Uber, you have to think like Airbnb, you have to think totally out of the box. So this is the amazing opportunity. එතකොට මේ අලුත් වැඩ කරන්න out of the box කරන්න හොඳ වෙලා. මොකද lot of people are not going to judge you. දැන් ඉස්සරන ඔක්කොමලා they knew the answers. They thought, this is the way we run it. It works. Now, අපි කියමු cinnamon life grand එකේ ඉන්න CEO, if you call and say I have an idea to bring tourists, they'll listen because they don't have idea how to bring tourists. So big or small, this is actually the time for young ones to take leadership and ownership. So I see tremendous opportunity. I think you would have come to this new generation awards through multiple categories, which is great. Country needs it. From an innovation point, Sri Lanka is 101st in the world global innovation index, which means we are not an innovative nation. We lack imagination. Aluthen hitanna bෑ අපිට අලුත් අදහස් එන්නේ නැහැ. ආවත් to take it to the next level, we are not good at it. Now don't get upset. This is the truth because we come from a 5-year scholarship, very by heart කරලා කටපාඩම් කරපු background එකකින් එන්නේ. Most of your parents and family members are not entrepreneurs. They will always tell කරන්න බෑ. ඕක හරියන්නේ නැහැ. ඕක risky වැඩි. So you'll always hear things like that. So I hope you will have the courage to push through your ideas and take some serious initiative. So I guess this is a great platform for you to try it out. You have to take a risk, especially take a risk with the out of the box idea before you take financial risks or any other people risks. Idea is the biggest risk. So my background, I failed my A-levels because my father gave me total freedom to play because he was an educationist and he didn't judge me for my mark. So I played Pandu, card school, all that, failed my A-levels. Then he just told me to go and pass it. I passed it. Don't ask me how, because if you're creative, you can pass it. I built 3 education institutes, one a global institute, the largest for chartered institute of marketing outside of UK. So you can become whoever you want when you want to. So bank clerk, went on to be in a bank for 17 years, then left at 37 to ride bicycles. And also was part of bringing the largest sports tourism event to this country, $3.5 million in 1 week for Sri Lanka in tourism. So anything, bicycle, can be spun to become something amazing. Bicycle you can take. I've taken Manyokka and made Kottu out of it and made a Uber best hit in a cafe I started called Spinner Cafe, Manyokka Kottu. So I hope you think out of the box and hope to see all of you at some point when we meet. And that's it from me. I'm very excited and I'm thankful for the leadership from Wim. Thank you, ladies, for leading Sri Lanka right now.
Thank you so much. There are so many questions, but before I give it to the judges, let me, because the same question, I think in a different ways, you all have put it on the chat. How the shortlisting happens is shortlisting is done by Women in Management, and it's not on category wise. We shortlist according to your profiles, right? So after we put your profiles to judges of 100 applications, we will be giving it to the judges, where judges will be judging. There is a criteria, but it's not on a, like, you know, a textbook criteria, because it's about not about your qualifications only. It's about executing, and it's about what's the impact you're going to put it to the society, and also how you look at the future. Because we have seen many youth speak about a lot of things, and they say we have this patent, but having a patent will not guarantee how it's going to be economically impact to the economy, right? And youth should not be waiting for a sponsorship to start a business. As Yasas correctly said, it's about innovation and invention and improvement innovation, right? You do not need to copy everything, but you can make a this thing. So I kindly ask judges, if you all can just brief them what you are looking on each category after we give the shortlisted 100 application, and how you will be. I think judges all were actually being briefed by Wim. And if we start with Varuni, who sat for last year's judging, what was our experience and how, because sometimes judges change the category, even though you have applied for that category. If judges thinks you are more suitable for that category, judges will be changing the category. Kasturi, are you in? Sorry, Varuni?
Yeah, Sulo, first I'd like to just say, I think, although I'm just participating as a judge, I enjoyed listening to the panel, because I think you have put together an amazing panel, because each one is so different. Yasas's VUCA, and Kasturi's economy, Dr. Ravi's the fact that you have to believe in yourself, and Zara going there and saying, you know, it's time we change ourselves. I just listening to everybody, to me, although I'm not participating in the sense of a applicant, I thought I learned so much, you know, so it was really, really interesting. And I'm thankful that you put together different types of people, because finally it comes back to the judging, because each of us will use our own experiences, our own ways of thinking, and our own yardstick. As Yasa said, okay, how do we select the people who would really take this country forward? You know, so we don't have a set guideline or rules, but looking at those applications, to be honest, we would have really preferred face-to-face discussions, because you really get to know that applicant. But because of this pandemic situation, we are stuck with that application. So we have to, it's your ability to communicate why you think you are outstanding. I think you're telling your story in that special way will make us, the judges, feel that you deserve this recognition. But as Sulo said, if we feel, although you have applied for a certain category, that's what we did last time, if we felt that you should be, or you perform better in a different category, we will make that shift. And even last time, there were few people who applied in multi-categories, but there again, we picked the category which was most suitable for you to be very competitive, and judged you on that. Sulo, that is what I can add in terms of the previous experience, but Kas has experience in judging Women in Management Awards. Kas, you want to add something? Oh, and also one last thing, I love Singlish and Tamilish. It's perfect, because now I can't understand Tamil, but I understood perfectly what Zara and Kas said. So it is perfect, this new language that we have created.
I know, I think y'all are inspiring. Zara inspired me to be a bit bolder today. I don't speak, I'm speaking like this, I think after 30 years of leaving school, or 30 odd years, because my Tamil is from what I learned in school, from the textbook, versus speaking. So on the judging, I think what you all have to trust is tell your story out. Don't leave out moments, don't leave out your experience, don't leave out what we will look at is how y'all, even when we interview you, is how you impact yourself, what was the impact to the community, what was the impact you were looking at, lessons learned, even if you have got the outcome you wanted, what do you plan on doing with it? What do you plan on doing for the country, for yourself? Simple thoughts. We are not asking you all to tell that you're going to conquer the world tomorrow. We just want you all to be your genuine self and relax, because all of us are here today because we are committed in our own way to make you all more successful and leave tomorrow better than how it is today. So the process on when we did WIM for the normal WIM awards is that you read through. So I mean, we read, we research. So don't think that it's a lot of time from the judges' time and a lot of commitment from them to really understand the core of you. So there's a lot of investment to understand the core. So don't hold back. When you're interviewed, don't feel shy of who you are and what you have done and what your story is about. Own it, and then you would be surprised how the judges would view it. So that's my whole thing about the process. We actually look at what's behind the whole application, the essence of it, like Varuni keeps saying, it's the story. It's a genuine, authentic story we want.
I think Dr. Ravi is there, Sara is there, and Yasas, you all also can put your inputs.
Can I take my chance? I have a lecture 10:30.
Okay, Dr. Yes.
Okay. And even I'm new this time because I haven't been with WIM for judging things like this. Mama Vishesham Balane, because we have been briefed the template of how to judge your applications and all. Mainly 3 areas. Ekak thamai your difference. So for the given category, you have given your application. So with the given template, I do personally, with the alignment to everybody's agreement, I do look at the difference of what your story. Second thing, a story ඇතුලේ මට පේනවා නම් relevance එක. For the given category, how the relevance happened. And third and very important, that's called sustainability. How your idea would sustain and create impact to the others' lives. So ඔය තුන mainly if you can communicate in your application with the all agreement of the panel of judges, definitely you will get a mileage. So these 3, I think we need to look at very carefully. Once again, telling you the difference and the relevance and the sustainability. So that guarantees the impact to what you applied for. It's rather award. We need to look at what it does to the others, right? So my definitely your name will be popped up into the top list. Good luck. We'll see how it goes.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ravi. Sara, are you there?
Yes, Dr. Sulo.
Okay.
So basically, we will go through the criteria, but it's more about your story. So like there was one question, right? Whether if you want more reference and so on. So then, yes, we will speak to the people that you have referred to in your application. But we will also kind of, look into things. In today's highly connected world, we can always Google someone, right? So we can always check whether what you've actually said has been happening or you've been doing that. So that's one element that I would look at, your digital presence as well, to some extent.
Thank you. Yazas, you're there?
Yes, I'm there. So I guess the other judges have given a very broad canvas. In any session of this nature, there will be a criteria. I guess all of us come from different backgrounds, and we'll try to finally link, if you know the judging process, finally you'll have to link to some type of scoring. But the width of the panel, you saw them. You also can figure out what their backgrounds are sometimes. And then you'll be able to pitch it, knowing who the audience is. So we use like a little principle. What's the purpose I'm here? I guess there was a point about differentiating, if that's the requirement. But sometimes it might be achieving comprehension. You might be sharing something we are not really familiar with. So it's not about differentiating, sometimes making us really understand. So figuring out your purpose is very important, and who the audience is. So if I am there, who is this guy called Yasas? What's his background? What I might be looking for? Who is Kasturi? Who is Varuni? So likewise, you got to do a little bit of research now that you know the panel, and you can even anticipate where would they come to you from. This will help you in your future also when you try to pitch ideas to all types of audiences, right? So purpose, audience, we call it the PASS, right? Sorry, I'm giving you a small formula. Purpose, audience, style, and your structure will change based on the purpose and the audience. So try to be sharp. Greatest ideas are killed in boardrooms, meeting rooms, because we didn't prepare for it very thoughtfully. So I hope you do it. Otherwise, a lot of us give up very early when our idea is not heard. That's because we were not very good at selling it. We were probably telling it. Sometimes we're just begging for something. Some people come to forums asking for funding. They're honestly begging. They really don't know how to pitch an idea. So internet is a great place for help. So I hope you'll spend some time. This is a great platform because you will have to someday pitch this idea or other idea. This might just a start. So take this really seriously. This might not even work for you, but the process is so valuable. We've all benefited from these moments in our life. So take it like gold. I generally look for expertise, which means you really know your topic. So I'll be look for expertise that comes from, do you have any experience about what you're talking? No. Okay. Do you have any exposure? Have you seen this? Have you got some education, which means not qualification? Have you read about it? Have you researched about it? If you don't, do you have somebody with you who supports you? So two things: purpose, audience, style, and structure for your benefit when you come in front. Then what would I look for? I would look for whether you know your topic or it's just an idea and that's not ready for the final E to be executed. That's when we say, nice kid, good idea, but you know what? Didn't really know how to land that plane, right? So that's some of the things that we would look at. So thoroughly work, prepare for it very well. Once in a lifetime opportunity comes some once in a lifetime. Sulo.
Thank you, Yazas. Thank you. ගොඩක් අය ප්‍රශ්න අහලා තියෙනවා මේක මේ කොහොමද කරන්නේ ජජස් දැන් I think යශස් හරියටම කිව්වා වගේ ඉස්සල්ලා ඔයගලන් මේකෙදි self evaluation එකක් කරගන්න ඔයාලා කවුද ඊට පස්සේ මේ ජජස් වගේ background එක කවුද මේක ඇවිල්ලා මේ කැටගරි එකකට කොටු වෙලා මම මේකට විතරයි හොඳ කියන්නේ එහෙම කවුරුද ජීවිතේ දිනපු අය නැහැ ඉතින් කැටගරි එකක් ඇතුලේ කොටු වෙන්න යන්න එපා මේක මේ ස්කෝල් එක මාක් ස්කීම් එකක් විදියට දෙන්නෙත් නැහැ. ඒකින්ද ඕගලන් කොච්චර ප්‍රශ්න මේවා කරත් මාව අපි තෝරගත්ත කැටගරි එක අපිට කියනවාද එහෙමක් නෙමෙයි. ඕගලන් දින්නොත් ඕගලන්ට දාන්නවනවා. හැබැයි කවුරු හරි ජජ් කෙනෙක්ට ඔයාලගේ විස්තර දැනගන්න ඕනොත් එයාලට ඔක්කොම නම්බර ඕගලන්ගේ දීලා තියෙන ඊමේල් දීලා තියෙන ඕන කෙනෙක් ඔයාලන්ට කතා කරලා අහනවා මේ ඔයා මේක කියලා තියෙනවා මේක ඇත්තද මේක තියෙනවද ඒකින්ද ඒ ගැන කියන්නේ අපි ඕගලන්ව ජජ් කරන්නේ ඕගලන්ගේ වල තියෙන ඇප්ලිකේෂන් එකයි රෙෆරන්ස් කියලා මෙතනදී ගොඩක් වෙලාවට කතා කරන්නේ මොකද්ද ඔයාලා දැන් කිව්වොත් ඔයගලන් කොහේ හරි රස්සාවක් කරලා තියෙනවා ඒ කම්පැනි එකෙන් හොයලා බලන්න ඔයගලන් කියලා තියෙනවා ඔයගලන් සොසයිටි වර්ක් කියලා සොසයිටි එකේ රෙෆරන්ස් ස්පෙෂලි ඕගලන්ගේ සෝෂල් මීඩියා එකේ ඕගලන් කොහොමද හැසිරෙන්නේ ඒ හැම පැත්තක්ම වෙනවා මොකද ඕගලන් මේ අවෝඩ් එක වින් කරාට පස්සේ ඕගලන් ගෙනියන්නේ ඕගලන්ගේ බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් එක විතරක් නෙමෙයි අවෝඩ් එකේ බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් එකක් ගෙනියනවා මේ ජජස් ලගේ බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් එකක් ඕගලන්ට ඔටෝමැටිකලි එනවා ඒතර ඕගලන් මොනවා හරි මේ අවෝඩ් එකත් පස්සේ වුණොත් එතකොට අහනවා මොකද මට අවුරුදු 11ක් තිස්සේ මම අවෝඩ්ස් කරනවා ලංකාවේ ආසියාවේ ඉතින් මට ගොඩක් වෙලාවට පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක් අවෝඩ් වෙන කෙනෙක් ඇති කළොත් ටග්ගල ඕගනයිසේෂන් එකෙන් තමයි අහන්නේ ඕගලන්ගේ අවෝඩ් වෙන කෙනෙක් ඕගලන් ජජ් කරාදී මෙයාගේ බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එක බැලුවේ නැද්ද ඇයි මෙයා මෙහෙම හැසිරුනේ ඒකින්ද මේ කැටගරි එකක් ඇතුලේ ඕගලන්ව ජජ් කරනවට වඩා ඕගලා අවෝඩ් එක දිනද්දී අවෝඩ් එක තමයි වටින්නේ ඒ අවෝඩ් එක මිසක් කැටගරි එක නෙමෙයි මොකද ජීවිතේ දිනන්න නම් මේ එකක් ස්පෙෂලායිස් වෙන්න බෑ පුතේ මුළු මේ හැම දෙයක් ගැනම අපිට සාමාන්‍ය දැනීමක් තියෙන්න ඕන ඉතින් මම හිතනවා ජජස් ලෝකන්ට බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එක දුන්නා යන ප්‍රොසීජර් එක දුන්නා හැබැයි ඕගලන්ගේ ඉදිරියට යන කියන්නේ ඕගලන්ව තේරුණාට පස්සේ ඕගලන්ට කතා කරන්න ඕන නම් ඒවා ඔක්කොම මේ ඕගලන්ට දැනුම් දෙනවා දැන් මම මේ කිව්වා විතරයි අවශ්‍ය නම් ජජස්ලා කතා කරනවා කියලා ආයෙත් අහනවා අපිට වර්චුවලි ඉන්ටර්විව් එකක් තියනවාද කියලා මම කිව්වා මීටින් එක ඕගලන්ව අවශ්‍ය නම් කතා කරන්න ජජස්ලා කන්ටැක්ට් කරනවා පර්සනලි ඒගොල්ලන්ට ඕගලන්ගේ දාලා තියෙන රෙෆරන්ස් ටික ඇතිනම් එයාලා සැටිස්ෆයි නම් ඒගොල්ලන් කතා කරන්නේ නැහැ හැබැයි ඩවුට් එකක් තිබ්බොත් ඒගොල්ලන් definitely ඔයගලන්ට call එකක් දෙනවා. නැත්නම් ඔයගලන් දීලා තියෙන number එකක් නැත්නම් කවුරු හරි ගැන mention කරලා තියෙනවනේ එයාට හරි කතා කරලා ඔයගලන්ගේ background එක check කරනවා. මම හිතනවා අපි ගොඩාක් දුරට මේවා මේ විස්තර කරා. අනිත් එක මේක ඇවිල්ලා මේ NGO එකකින් කරන award එකක් නෙමෙයි. මේ අපි ඔක්කොම අපේ වෙලාවල අයින් කරලා අපේ business නතර කරලා මේක කරන්නේ රටේ වෙනසක් ඇති කිරීමට. මොකද අර blaming culture එක there is two different. Some are saying youth is in fault, some are saying adults in fault. So whoever in fault are not going to solve it. Then we have to bring the solution. තාරුණ්‍ය වැරදි වෙන්න පුළුවන්, වැඩිහිටියන් වැරදි වෙන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් මේ දෙගොල්ලම වැරදි හොය හිටියොත් කවුරුත් නිවැරදි වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒකින්ද නිවැරදි මාර්ගයක් හොයන්න තමයි මේ සම්මාන වල අඳුන්වලා දීලා තියෙන්නේ. Now I hand it over to Onela to finish this meeting. Onela, are you here? Onela? You're mute. Onela, you're mute.
Subal Desanak Samotama. My name is Unela Viranti Karanayaka. I'm Vice Chair Hatita Tamai me New Generation Committee Awards inni. On behalf of the NG Awards Committee, I would firstly like to thank all of our judges and candidates, all the shortlisted candidates, for making the time to join our Zoom session for the New Generation Awards 2021. The second time that we are holding, this is the second time that we are going to be holding this. The first New Generation Awards, we were able to get some amazing talent. And it has always been our prime objective to find and provide a platform to the up and coming voices of Sri Lanka. The whole world is going through some of the most challenging times with COVID. It's testing each and every one of us from a business level, a personal level. However, at the New Generation and WIM chapters, we do not believe that this should stop us from finding the talent that is spread out across Sri Lanka. One thing that I think I gathered from all the judges, again, judging panel ekema ekak me mahitane වැඩි හරියම කතා කරා, winning the award is not just a one-day winning, but it should be a badge to be worn with pride and passing on the opportunity and inspiring more individuals to come forward, and striving to make ourselves better and also to keep inspiring more individuals. අපේ ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ කිව්වොත් ඒක නිකන් මේ one day cricket match එකක් ගහනවා වගේ නෙමෙයි අතරින්ම. අපි team work washing, we have to really get together and as a team put our Sri Lanka, put our youth and help each person come up and step forward. And sometimes it is not just the award only, but it is a journey. You're coming here, applying and taking the first step to recognizing your own talent, which is, I think, what all the judges put together is a winning in itself. One thing is, as Sulo already explained, as Dr. Sulochana already explained, the judges will get in touch with you all whenever they require. Please answer the phone that have been given. If there are any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with the committee and by email, by message, by call. And once again, I thank everyone for joining this Zoom call today. And we look forward to continuing this judging process and holding the awards in the near future, keeping the safety and welfare of each and every one of you in mind. So we wish and thank every applicant for being here today and good luck.
Thank you so much, Anila. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, judges. And as one of the judges has already said that they will be putting, after they shortlist by judges, they will ensure to have another virtual meeting with the shortlisted applicants, what judges shortlisted according to category wise. So you all have a hope that you all meeting judges again. If you all had a doubt that you will not be able to give more information, So they have given the opportunity for y'all. So give us time, we will come back to y'all. Thank you so much. If you all needed any Tamil translations, you can speak to Zainab. I think everyone has a number, and this recording will be on putting on YouTube if you all want to listen again. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you and all the best.